Hi, Dennis Bohol here. Welcome as I walk you through with my design process for this challenge. So number one, I always establish the design methodology. Here, I prepare the scamp. Under the scamp is the folder organization. I also browse through the brief and understanding it. Okay, I do the market research, finding inspiration, rough layout, and creating the initial version. After which, I'll start with my actual conceptualization, uh, wherein I will develop the design direction, the design style, the tonality, the color palette, and the typography. And then I will proceed to actually do the layout. Of course, doing all the layout, I'll always start with my go-to layout, which is the rule of thirds, and from there I will develop other types of layout, and then I will go ahead and prepare the deliverables. So in the actual design rationale, uh, design direction is I have chosen from the given file the Sage, which has the sub tagline of understanding, which is also in line with my style of designing, which is giving a clear, clean message. So, design style that I have chosen is modern minimalism, okay, which is more of the clear lines, ample white spaces, okay, a balanced layout that can give us visual clarity and harmony. Okay. After that, choosing the tone of voice, which is elegant, confident, and composed, which is also, I think, connected or reflective to an agent having a relationship with the client, okay? Which is having that elegance and confidence upon dealing with them. So after that, I will find the perfect color palette. Okay, so in this case, I have chosen the gold and the cherry red, which evokes that prime feeling or a luxurious feel, along with a deep passion to deliver the vision, which is building dreams, creating realities. Okay? And then the typography, of course, as the direction states, clarity. So I have chosen a simple and a clear font, which in this case I have chosen the Poppins Extra Bold, paired it with the font Elephant that can give that extra elegance to it, which is, I think, goes along perfectly with the color palette that I have chosen. So this is the actual layout that I made. So here, basic formula or principle is following the natural flow of the eye as we read. Okay, so from left to right and from top to bottom. But I also added or made use of the contrast, the contrasty color that I have chosen. So this is a good execution of contrast, right? Having the gold and the cherry red in the background, which is also a classic sale approach, if I may say. I also added a dimensional feel, so somehow it's not totally flat. The design is not totally flat, because I have noticed when I have chosen this image of this woman, there's this natural what you call that, shadow on this part. So I added so there's a continuation of that shadow on this part. Okay, and then just made a clear centered to centered alignment here, so that it's clean and balanced. Okay, and one of the goal here as well is to have that level of sophistication feel to the final outcome. Okay, so this is my mock-up. Next to that, is the sold example. Okay? Uh, I have intentionally went on browsing for a particular image that has carrying the same color palette that I have, so that there is a cohesive feel to the design. So that's my thought process. Thank you once again for considering me, and I'm hoping for a favorable response. Thank you. Have a great day.